Hi, it's Angry Admin here from angrysysops.com, and today I want to continue subject of vCLS VMs, and today I will show you one trick which will allows you to log in to vCLS VM. Before we do that, I need to tell you that I do not recommend logging to those VMs as they are managed by your system, your vCenter itself. So let's have a look what we can do. There's another thing which I want to mention before we go into the subject of today's video. I wrote a short ebook about snapshots. It's called Snapshot 101, a comprehensive guide for IT professionals, and it's available on Amazon. I would appreciate if you can buy one. It costs you 99 cents or 99 pence. It's less than €1, it's less than £1. I would appreciate if you can buy that and leave a good review on Amazon. Link will be in the description of that video and on my blog. Okay, let's start our subject. So, as you can see, we have one of the vCLS VM. And how to get to it? Simply, I would go to launch a web console. I will click on yes, and we see the login prompt. The login would be root, but what is a password? Is it your vCenter password? Is it the password you came up with? No, as those VMs are deployed by the system, you don't know the password, do you? And it's not the administrator password, it's not any of standard passwords. So the trick to logging to vCLS VM is to retrieve the password. And this is how we're doing that. First of all, we need to SSH to our vCenter. And once we in the vCenter, we need to use this command. And this is our password. So the command is user lib vmware-wcp decrypt _cluster vm _pw.py, and this is our password. So now, having that password, we can try to log in. Now I need to check if the keyboard layout is correct for the special characters, and let's try to log in. And there you are. We are inside VM. Alright, I hope this was informative. I hope you liked that video. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and buy my book. See you in the next one. Bye.